No.
Bitch, can I please have what's
No.
next?
What?
When you don't want to leave the park. OMG, so dramatic.
Go figure. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, would you look at that? Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well.
What the heck is that?
She drug her ass from like.
Let's go, buddy. It's time to go.
The poor guy must have been tired.
We're gonna pause.
All right, we're almost there.
Come on, Sink. Get up, Rock. Get up. Tell him, Nala.
You have to go back. The pillow potty. Wait for me, I got little legs.
Are you a turtle?
Oh my God! Oh my God! My Shayla! My Shayla!
It probably didn't even get.
3 old school tunes back to back, which is quite popular with you guys. Got a chance to drop a voice note. If you are actually on school, Robert Jensen's in Soul.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! I owed him up.
I'm not lazy. I just don't feel like doing anything. Like just participate.
No, él es rebelde. Él es rebelde.
¿Ella es rebelde?
Ella es rebelde. Yo no la veo problemática, la veo rebelde.
Oye,
contestona.
I feel pretty sorry for the next guy who looks at me funny.
What about that guy?
Oh my gosh.
No, man. No, man. No, man. Okay. Butt smash!
You okay, buddy?
¿Es en serio? ¿Es en serio lo que yo estoy viendo? ¿Ahora con mi chichero? No, esto ya es el colmo. No, señor, dame eso. Ven acá. Oye, malcriada.
What are you watching? You watching your favorite show? Oh my god, you're such a fucking turd. Excuse me. It's been like 5 minutes since the last time that I got attention. I would like some more, please.
This? I bought this with money. I just gave money to somebody and they gave this to me.
Hey, big guy, I'm just going to work. I'll be back tonight.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
I'm done with it.
Ow. Okay, sorry.
What's your name? What? What is your name? Tony!
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Huh?
เดี๋ยวกลับมา2 วัน
ไม่ได้
Here we go. Boom, 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 boom.
Okay, what's my personality? Give it to me. Give it to me straight. Oh!
One. Good boy. Go, let's take one.
Good girl. Let's go take one. Good boy. Diamond, take one. Good girl.
It's okay, don't cry.
Huh?
Don't be weird. Maggie? Don't be weird. Don't do weird things. Maggie?
Okay, let him go. Let him go, let him stop.
National Guard is maxed out. They say we should lucky troops for that.
O que eu tenho menos?
Porque tu deve ter bebido já, né?
I don't want to work anymore because I'm working every day very hard and I never had money.
Down. No. No. Just down and stay. Down. Stay. No. Hey. Hey. Down. Stay. No.
You have 800 followers on TikTok. How do you feel about that? You say thank you? Yeah, say thank you, everyone.
Let's go see what's outside. Oh, gosh. Oh!
You just want attention.
Yes, he is. He's listening. You're listening, Frankie. Eh?
Anything off his financials? Mr. Hartley doesn't know any property. Spends all his time at work, credit cards and lots.
Come here. Whoa.
It's like a reward.
More passion, more passion, more passion, more energy, more energy, more footwork, more footwork, more footwork.